How to fix Instagram live not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Type Instagram and then just see if there is any update here, and if you can't find any update, now let's move to the next step. Go to settings, then go to storage and click clean up, and here clean some space, or you can clean it from your gallery, delete some photos and videos. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have enough space, then go to settings, apps, and apps again, click Instagram, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache. Now your problem must be fixed. If you have an iOS, uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and see you in the next video.